You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce the Spanish word for rain. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary in Spanish as well. Lluvia. Lluvia is how it's said in Spanish in Spain. Stress on the first syllable, lluvia. Lluvia. Now in South America, it's pronounced more as lluvia, lluvia. But in Spain, lluvia, double L is like a Y, lluvia. And V is like a B. You get it. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more Spanish vocabulary. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.